A very good morning to my dear students. Today we will discuss the first topic, that is basics of electronics. In that, the subtopic we are going to discuss in this lecture is De Morgan's laws. In the previous session we have seen the detail about basic logic gates and also universal logic gate, and in addition to them we have also seen something about XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. In the today's class we will mainly concentrate on De Morgan laws and also simplification of some Boolean expressions with the help of De Morgan laws. The main objective of this lecture is the main objective of this lecture is uh, definition of De Morgan theorems and also explanation of De Morgan theorems, and simplifying some of the Boolean expressions using De Morgan's theorems. And also we will understand some problem statements, and based on the given problem statement we can able to realize it with the help of simple logical functions or logical expressions. All those things we will see in this lecture. In the last session we have seen we have discussed about basic gates, universal logic gates and XOR gate. So these are the different classification of logic gates. Logic gates are mainly classified into three types: basic gates, universal gates and derived gates. Basic gates will be OR and NOT gates, and universal gates will be NAND NOR gates, and derived gates will be XOR and XNOR gates. So all those things we have seen in the previous session. Now we will mainly concentrate on De Morgan laws. We will see. So there are two laws in De Morgan's theorems. So we will see the first law and its statement. The complement of the sum of individuals is equal to the product of the individual complements. Okay. So if you understand the statement in a better way, the complement of the sum of individuals is equal to the product of the individual complements. For example, if I am considering the two variables as a and b, so let us consider these are the two variables a and b. What he is saying, he is saying the complement of the sum of individuals. Okay, so sum of individuals will be what? Will be a plus b, and he is telling the complement of the sum of individuals. So a plus b whole bar is equal to what he is saying, the product of the individual complements is equal to the product of the individual complements. So a plus b whole bar is equal to product of the individual complements. So it is product a into b, and individual complements is a bar into b bar. So this is the statement of De Morgan's first law. So a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. So the complement of the sum of individuals is equal to the product of the individual complements. So this is the expression for De Morgan's first law. A plus b whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar. The complement of the sum of the individuals is equal to the product of the individual complements. Next we will see the proof of this De Morgan's first law. A plus b whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar. If you observe, here, first one is a, this will be b, and next will be a plus b, next its complements a plus b whole bar, next will be a b, a plus b and a plus b whole bar. Okay, and next what we will observe, we'll left over one column and it will be a bar, and this will be b bar, and it will be a bar into b bar. We will see the truth table and proof. So first combination is 0 0, and for 0 0 a plus b will be equal to 0 and its complement will be 1. So a plus b whole bar will be equal to 1, and a bar 0 for A0, A bar will be equal to 1, and for B0, B bar will be equal to 1, and A bar into B bar, 1 into 1 will give you 1. So this is the first combination AB, that is 0 0 combination. Next we will observe the second combination, that is A is 0, B is 1. So A plus B will become 1, A plus B whole bar will become 0, and next A bar will become 1 and B bar will become 0, and 1 into 0 will give you 0. So these two has to be equal, because this is equal to what is known as A plus B whole bar, and this is equal to what is known as A bar into B bar. So both has to be equal for all the combinations. So for 0 1 also you got the same output, LHS is equal to RHS, and for AB other combination, that is A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, you will be getting A plus B as 1, A plus B whole bar as 0. Next for A bar it will be 0, and for B bar it will be 1, so 0 into 1 will give you 0. So both LHS and RHS are equal even for the third combination, that is 1 0. Okay, next the fourth combination we will observe for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So A plus B will give you 1, and A plus B whole bar will give you 0, and A bar will give you 0, B bar will give you 0. Okay, so A bar into B bar will give you 0. So for the last combination also you will be getting the LHS is equal to RHS. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So this is the proof of the De Morgan's first theorem. So De Morgan's first law and implementation using logic gates. Okay, so A plus B whole bar can be implemented with the help of single two input NOR gate. Okay, like this, single two input NOR gates. A and B are two inputs, so the output of NOR gate will be equal to A plus B whole bar. So this itself is the realization of LHS. Next, in order to realize the other function, that is RHS, to be equal to LHS, I am taking first A bar into B bar. So for considering A bar, first I am considering the two inputs A and B. To these I am connecting the inverters first, so that the output of inverter will be what? Here you will be getting A bar, and here you will be getting B bar, and these two outputs of inverters are given as input to the AND gate, so that what output you will be getting for AND gate, it will be A bar into B bar. Okay, so after this, so this can be realized like this. So bubbled inputs, bubbled AND, so this circuit you can call it as, what is called as, sorry, this circuit you can call it as bubbled AND, and which is equal to NOR. So bubbled AND is equal to NOR gate. With the help of De Morgan's first law, we can write the statement as bubbled AND is equal to NOR gate. So that means A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So bubbled AND is equal to NOR gate. Bubbled AND is equal to NOR gate. So this is the statement of De Morgan's first law. Next we will also verify the proof of this De Morgan's first law even with the help of Venn diagrams like this. Okay, so Venn diagrams are very simple to understand and identify by drawing Venn diagram. So for example, De Morgan's first law we will see. Okay, so this is A, that means only the part of A will be circled as yellow color, and this is the Venn diagram for B, only A and only B. So if you consider A union B, that is both A and B, A or B. So both the areas of A as well as B will be having yellow colors. And if you observe, this is, wait, so this is nothing but A union B whole bar. So this is A union B. This is A union B, and complement of this will give you this. Apart from A and B, the rest of the area will give you A union B whole bar. The rest of the area will give you A union B whole bar. So this is what is known as A union B whole bar. Next, again I am considering A and B, and if I am considering A bar and B bar, this is how the Venn diagrams of A bar and B bar will look like for a given A and B Venn diagram. So A Venn diagram is only A, and A bar is nothing but other than A, whatever the area is there, that you need to encircle like this, and B is only B area, and B bar, that is nothing but other than B. This is the Venn diagrams corresponding to A bar and B bar. Next, and this will be the Venn diagram for A bar intersection B bar. This is the Venn diagram for A bar intersection B bar, which is equal to A bar into B bar, which is equal to A bar into B bar. Okay, so if you observe the Venn diagrams of LHS and RHS, it look like this. Visual diagrams are like this. Okay, so this is nothing but A union B whole bar, and this is nothing but A bar intersection B bar. Okay, so A union B whole bar, which is again equal to A plus B whole bar, and which is equal to A bar into B bar. Okay, so that means A plus B whole bar Venn diagram is equivalent to A bar into B bar Venn diagram, because A union B whole bar Venn diagram is equivalent to A union B whole bar Venn diagram is equivalent to A bar intersection B bar Venn diagram. So that's why it is the proof of De Morgan's first law with the help of Venn diagrams. Next we will observe the De Morgan's second law, the complement of the product of variables. The complement of the product of variables is equal to the sum of the individual complements. That means if you consider the two variables as A and B, I am considering two variables as A and B, the complement of the product of the variables. That means what you need to consider? First you need to consider the product of the variables AB and its complement, which is equal to the sum of the individual complements. That means sum of the individual complement means A bar plus B bar. So this is the De Morgan's second law. AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So the complement of the product of the variables, that is AB whole bar, is equal to the sum of the individual complements, that is nothing but A bar plus B bar. So A into B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this is the De Morgan's second theorem, and we can observe the De Morgan's second theorem. And if you observe, for AB 0 0 and for 0 0 combination of A and B inputs, the product AB will give you 0, AB whole bar will give you 1, and A bar will give you 1, B bar will give you 1, and A bar plus B bar will also give you 1. So on a whole, these two columns AB whole bar should be equal to A bar plus B bar according to De Morgan's second theorem, that you are verifying it with respective to the truth table. Okay, and for second combination 0 1, AB will give you 0, AB whole bar will give you 1, and A bar is 1, B bar is 0, so 1 plus 0 will give you 1, and again AB whole bar 1, that which is equal to A bar plus B bar, which is equal to 1 for the second combination as well. Similarly, if you observe for third combination, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, its product AB will give you 0 and its complement will give you 1. So A bar is 0 and B bar is 1, and A bar plus B bar, which is nothing but 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1, and this is equal to AB whole bar 1, which is equal to A bar plus B bar, which is equal to 1. So for the third combination also this statement is true. AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. In the similar manner, you can also analyze it for fourth combination. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. AB will give you 1 and its complement is 0. Since A is equal to B is equal to 1, its complements will be 0, 0. So that its addition A bar plus B bar will also give you 0. And this 0 is equal to AB whole bar, which is equal to 0. So for all the four combinations of input variables AB, the statement AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this is the proof of the De Morgan's second theorem. A into B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this is the realization of De Morgan's second theorem. Here A into B whole bar, here A into B whole bar, which is equal to A bar plus B bar. So A into B whole bar is nothing but NAND gate. A into B whole bar is nothing but NAND gate, which is equal to bubbled OR gate. So according to De Morgan's second theorem, I can say NAND is equal to bubbled OR gate. NAND is equal to bubbled OR gate. Okay, so bubbled OR stands for inputs are complemented. So when the inputs are complemented, the output of OR gate will be what? A bar plus B bar, and NAND is equal to what? Will be AB whole bar. So these two are one and the same. AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So NAND gate is equal to bubbled OR. In the previous De Morgan's first theorem, what we have seen? We have seen NOR. NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND. NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND. So NOR gate is nothing but A plus B whole bar is nothing but NOR gate. So bubbled AND stands for what? So complement of the inputs, it will be A bar into B bar. So A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar. So this is the De Morgan's first theorem. Based on that, we can say NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND, and based on De Morgan's second theorem, I can say NAND gate is equal to bubbled OR. Okay. Next, on a whole summary, we have discussed about De Morgan's laws, that is AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, and De Morgan's first law, that is De Morgan's second law, it is A plus B whole bar is equal